probably wondering what this is. These are hood babies. 30-inch mechanical art toys. This is Bubba, me. This is Desmond, the baller of the group. Show him your chain, Des.
That's a fire top. Wait, hold on. Yo.
Yeah.
Take it back.
Get out. Look at this one. Hi, Rack. Look at his face.
This is so cool. Yeah, this is big. And this is Coco, the Afro pessimist of the group.
Coco's good.
Look at the tongue ring. Wait, show her tongue ring.
Good.
And this is Brandon, the dreamer of the group. You need to wet this. He's so good. I look into the season one right now, right? And blink. And mouth. And blink. Mouth. Great. Now, you may be wondering, how can I get my own hood babies doll?